Here I've got Motorola Moto Z, and let me show you how to activate and use developer options on the following device. So at first let's open list of all apps, then find and select the settings, locate and open system, which is the very last tab under the settings, and now go to the about phone. Now locate build number and tap on it 7 times. And as you can see, now you're a developer. So let's go back, and as you can see, on the previous screen, developer options appeared right here. So smoothly click to access them, and now you can come along with all super features and very advanced options that you can use in this mode and developer options file. And for example, you can switch off activities in the background by tapping on this switcher. Then you can enable strict mode if you want to, just click here. Then you can turn it off if you would like to, the same way. You can change the USB settings, you can set GPU renderer, you can force 4x MSA, you can debug GPU overdraw, and just come along with all the possible options here and then use them. For example, if you are left-handed, just click here on the force RTL layout direction, and now you can smoothly use phone with your left hand. So it may be very useful for those who prefer to have the icons on the left side. And this is it. Just come along with all the options and use them. And then afterwards, once you perform all the operations, if you would like to turn developer options off, just tap here on this switcher, and as you can see, they are no longer active. If you will go back, developer options, as you can see, disappeared. So whenever you would like to perform the same operation, you will have to do the same trick again. So this is it. That will be all. So you can unlock, use, and then deactivate developer options in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.